Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server 1.21.5. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft and open your browser and search for Minecraft server download and go to the official site. Click the download link for Minecraft 1.21.5 server. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder and create a new folder on your desktop and name it whatever you like. Server works fine. Drag the server.jar into the folder. And after that, double click the server.jar. If nothing happens, it means Java isn't installed. Then go to the java.com and download and install Java for desktops. Then return to server.jar. Then right click and after that open with then Java and it should run. Then the server will generate new files and folders. Open eula.txt, then change eula to false to true, and save. Then double click the server.jar again to start the server. Now open server properties with Notepad to adjust settings like game mode, difficulty, or more. Save any changes, then run server.jar to launch your server. In Minecraft, click multiplayer, then add server. And after that, type localhost as the address and press done. Then select your server and press join and you're now in your own Minecraft world. If you want friends to join, you'll need to set up port forwarding or use a hosting service like Apex Hosting, which makes it simple and secure. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.